Is Markets.com a good broker or not? We will find out in this video. Welcome to our new video from Trusted Broker Reviews, and today we will have a deeper look into the famous broker Markets.com, aka MarketsX. MarketX is the trading platform of Markets.com. It's the same broker, just a new software, a new style for trading, an upgrade for traders, and in this video I will show you all details about the company. So first of all, we have to check if a broker is regulated or not. I do not recommend to trade with unregulated brokers, so you should check this first. If we see here MarketsX, we see next here the regulators. This is very important to check this, so we can choose a regulator with Markets.com. This broker is multi-regulated. There are 5 different regulators like the CSEC, FSCA, ASIC, FSC, and FCA. You see it directly here. And if I click on it, we see a comparison between the different regulators. This is very good and very transparent for every trader. For example, I'm on the global license here and I want to change to UK. I click on continue and I'm on the UK address of markets.com. So the trader can decide which license he wants to choose. Some traders from Europe want to trade with a high leverage, so they should choose the global regulator or the CSEC regulator like they want. This is a very nice feature and it's easy to do here on the Markets.com website. A nice advantage of this broker, multi-regulated, and it shows a high trust. So what is Markets.com? Markets.com, MarketX is international CFD broker and you can trade more than 2,000 assets. What's also important about this brand is that this broker is a part of the British company, and this company is listed on the London Stock Exchange. So original Markets.com is founded in the UK, but now it's an international broker with different branches, regulators, and so on. It's a part of the British company, and you see this directly here on the website that it's a part of the stock exchange, and this also shows me high trust. And you also see here MarketX is brought to you by Markets.com. So this is the same broker, a FTSE 250 listed company. Yeah, this is a nice advantage, and you see here you can trade more than 2,200 assets. Like you want forex, commodities, indices, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and more. I will show you that in a second on the trading platform in more detail. What's also important of MarketsX, it's a very nice analysis platform. They offer you very good and detailed news about your assets. They offer you analysis stuff. They offer you a good support, a good education to learn more about the markets and make trading decisions. Even if you are a short-term trader or a long-term trader, you can do both with Markets.com on their platform. You see here they offer you the latest news, and I will show you that in more detail in the next minutes. Also, it's an innovative trading platform. They offer you good technical analysis stuff. You see here a screenshot of the platform. And yeah, I will show you that in more detail in a second. There are different tools, advanced tools for beginners. And you see here Thomas Reuters analyst research tools. This is very nice and big advantage of Markets.com, MarketsX, that they offer you nice education and news. So also they offer you some videos here and yeah, nice support. It's very easy to open an account with Markets.com. You see this here, you can click on create, fund this account and start trading. The minimum deposit is $250, or you can try it on a free demo account. If we go here, we can here see some other important features. If you click here, what they are offering, CFD expiration dates and weekly rollovers and so on. You can directly look on the specific asset information on their website. Also here, if we go to tools and analysis, there are some different options here. You can choose between technical, sentiment and X-ray. So you see here a small overview about this, but if you want to see more, you have to create an account. If you click in the description below, you find the registration link for MarketsX.com, and you also see our full review of the broker on our webpage. So this is markets.com. If we go here, what's so different? There are some advantages, but I told you before this advantage. Nice support, nice education, good handling platform, and yeah, you get VIP support if you join MarketsX. They call it VIP support. It's a 24/5 support. Yeah, and here's some details about the platform, but I don't want to go through all it. I think you know it. And yeah, I want to show you the trading platforms. So if you want to start trade with markets.com, I show you that you click on create account and you come to this new website here. You can insert your email address, your password, and just start to create account or sign up with Facebook or Google like you want, and then you got access to the trading platform. I will do this and we see us in a second. So I'm logged in on the MarketX trading platform here, and now I want to show you in detail what you can do with this trading platform. What can you trade here? What investments you can do here. I will show you that all for you. And first of all, I recommend everybody to use the demo account first. This is an account with virtual money. I use it for this video. If you are a professional trader or more experienced trader, you can start with real money, but I don't recommend it. Just try out this platform first with virtual money, then go to the real money and invest your funds. Yeah, you can start with $250 on this platform or with the free demo account. So I'm on the free virtual money account. You see my balance is 10,000 US dollar. And I want to show you exactly what you can do here. On the left side, you see all the features and assets for your account. First of all, you can create a watch list. This is very common and very popular on the most trading platforms. Nice feature. If you create a watch list for long-term investing, you can use it. Then you can see your open positions, your open orders, you can set alerts, and then we come to the different assets. You can choose here your assets you want to trade. Here are some baskets like commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, ETFs, blends, bonds, and more. I want to go for this example to the currencies. I said before, more than 2,200 assets. So you can trade a lot of stocks, you can trade a lot of currencies. Markets.com gives you all the assets what you need to trade successfully. You can trade any market on this trading platform. So it's very nice and I like it. If we see here are the primary currencies we can change to the major, minus and exotic pairs. What you see here is the euro US dollar and the spread. It's 0.3 pips spread. The spread here is shown in the middle, 0.5 pips spread. So this is a variable spread and you pay no commissions. No commissions with this broker. They offer you a tight spread. 0.5 pip spread is like nothing, yeah? It's like nothing if you pay no commissions. This is very good. And yeah, if you want to open a new chart, just click on it and it's opened. Here also you can open more charts at one time. This is also possible. I go to the example euro US dollar today, and this is a euro US dollar. Oh, it's dropping. That's not so good for the euro area, because the euro is always dropping. If we go to the daily chart, we see there's a huge sell out on the euro versus the US dollar at the moment. Okay, yeah, you can change here the time frame from 1 day to 1 month, 1 minute, like you want, like you long-term investor, short-term investor. Markets offer the options for you, and Markets.com uses the same interface like TradingView.com. If you know this platform, and I like it very much because it's very customizable, it looks nice, it's smooth, and you can use it like you want. If you see this here, you can move the charts very clear here, and it's nice to see. And I like this platform. We can use on the left side different technical analysis stuff here, like trend lines. You can customize the trend line with the bridge or width or the color like you want. You can use here different other tools like text messages, Fibonacci tools you can use here. This is called the open risk reward tool. This is very nice if you want to open a position and you want to know how much risk I want to use how is the risk reward. Just use this tool for your trading, and this is a very nice advantage because, for example, if you're using the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you don't got this tool. You can delete it with your keyboard, very easy, or click on it and delete it here, click on remove. This is very easy. So here are the tools on the left side. Very nice tools. I like it a lot. We can use here some symbols if you want. And that's about the tools that you can go here with a full technical analysis on this broker. And also what we see here is we can change it to different chart types like Renko bars. Renko bars, very, very professional stuff, this chart. And Markets.com offer it. For professional traders, for day traders, I recommend to use Renko charts. Maybe we can make a video in the future about it. Give me a thumbs up if you're interested about Renko chart. This is a very nice feature here and a big advantage in my opinion. Also what we can do here, we can compare charts. We can compare here the symbols like Euro US dollar. We can compare it with the US dollar, Japanese yen. And this is also a very nice feature. I like it. And if you click here on the indicators, you can use indicators like Bollinger Bands. And if you want to customize this, just click here and click on this format. There you can customize the indicator of Bollinger Bands. So very nice trading platform in my opinion. And I can't show you all the tools because this video would go like 10 hours. But I think I give you a good overview what you can do here. So all the functions they offer, it's very nice, very professional. And I give this trading platform a thumbs up of MarketX.com. So what's also interesting about this platform is if we go to an asset, I will choose another asset for like shares. I'm using now Alphabet, very interesting asset. Also, it's rising every day. And we see this here. What we can see now here, also all the menu functions, case statistics, very detailed look into these assets. Very nice. We see the financials information, total revenue of the company. These are very important key factors if you want to trade stocks long term. You can see here another important information profile insights. We see here the analysis of Markets.com asset news related instrument. They compared to other instrument, and we see open positions at the moment. It's not available because I have no positions or orders with this chart. So at the moment the market is also closed because of the time, stock exchange time. And this is all for you traders. Very nice and detailed informations. Markets.com is a very good broker in it because I know other brokers, they don't offer you this type of education or type of information. They don't offer you this for free, and with MarketX.com you get it for free. So big thumbs up to this broker for this nice education, nice case statistics. For example, if we use the euro US dollar, we can also see here the nice events, what are coming up here. We see the upcoming economic events, and if we go here, here's another field. If I make this, I made this. Why it don't go bigger? It's a moment. I think there's a bug. I did it here now. So here's a nice other field. We can choose between signals. They also offer signals, events calendar, and financial news and financial commentaries. So we see here the financial events calendar. What's happening here for your asset. And this is also a nice feature, the economic calendar. Some guys know it from investing.com, but here with MarketX, you got this in your trading platform. And yeah, you can also set you an alert if you want. If you go to alert, you can set you here a new alert. And so you can create a react to every type of news. Also, you can get this alert to your smartphone. So if you want to trade with markets.com, you can use your smartphone or you can use the web platform. Conclusion of this review, MarketsX, markets.com seems to us a very, very professional broker. They made a lot of upgrades for you, a lot of upgrades of the trading platform. So at the moment, this trading platform is a lot of better than other brokers. You see this very clear here. I forgot to show you how to open the position. It's very easy. Just click on buy and sell and you see this here. If you click here, I want to trade 100,000. You see the right margin. You can use your take profit and stop loss here. Very transparent. And yeah, you can see all the details here. Yeah, this is how you trade. Just place the order here. The spread is very low. You see this, for example, on the euro US dollar, no commission, only the small spread. We go on commodities. Gold also a low spread here. Silver a low spread. Brent. You see on crude oil. I go here. Yeah, this is also a very low spread. 0.3. This is like nothing here. You see this. Very big advantage for this broker. Very nice. And yeah, tight spreads, full regulated broker. You can use different payment methods, bank wire, credit card. They offer you all the different methods. Also, in my opinion, this is a top tier broker for trading CFDs. So I recommend to trade with them. You will find the link in the description below. Our conclusion is popular broker, professional broker. You get a lot of information, nice trading platform, a lot of assets, and good conditions to trade. High safety, that's what I want when I want to trade CFDs with the broker. This is a top tier broker, and this was my review, our review. You will find the registration link in the description below. See you, have a nice day, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.